What's going on, guys? Your artist, your favorite artist, Angelus the artist. I know it's been a long time since you see me on the couch, but I'm here in the crib, on the couch, ready to get it in. And as you can see in this description, you know what I'm about to do. It's going to be something cool. It's going to be something classic. And these I'm going to do for myself. These are some Concord 11s. And thing is, I had bought, the story to this is that I had bought this from someone for pretty much close to nothing. They were dogged. I seen that they were kind of dogged, or shall I say catched, if that's even a word. They were catched. I'm gonna put that word up right here. So I got them and I looked at them. I was like, all right, you know, I can restore them, I can paint them. Cool, I'm cool with it, not a problem. Oh, and before we get into it, if you guys are seeing, I got this hoodie on, Nas New York State of Mind hoodie. This is only on angelustheartist.com. I just updated my website, so it's looking fire fuego. Got some cool stuff, but these are one of the new items that I have on there. I have the print as well. I'm going to show you the print in a second. And so if you want one of these, you can get 10% off with the code NASISLIKE, NASISLIKE. I'll put it in the description. You get 10% off this hoodie, 10% off everything on the site with Nas is like. We'll get back to it. I took these out to clean them. I realized there was cat hair in the sneaker, like all over the sneaker, inside of it. But since there was cat hair in it, and the cat theme, and Black Panther's coming out, and we all love Marvel, that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna hook these up. We're gonna clean them up first. First thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna take you to my Dungy clean station. Also, if you guys can do me a big favor, if you haven't already, make sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and hit that notification button, that little bell, so that you're notified whenever I put a new video up to continue following me. So if you guys are ready, I'm ready. Let's get into it. So alright, what I'm actually going to do is, just before I wet it up again and clean it, the hair is in here. So the hair is going to be, I don't know if you can see it, hopefully it zooms in so you can see some of these hairs, but you know, look in there, look at all that hair. There's so much cat hair, it's ridiculous. So in order to get that out, what I'm going to do is kind of like a lint roller. I'm just going to use tape and literally try to get as much cat hair in there as possible. So we'll do this. I don't know if you can see it very well, but I'll show you on the tape. I mean, I'm pretty sure after this, I'm not going to be a big fan of cats. I mean, look at this. Hopefully, let's try to focus. Look at that.
20 minutes later.
First and foremost, before we start, definitely have on the gloves. I actually threw these in the wash real quick again, just to wash it out a little bit more. Definitely get the cat smell out, that's for sure. But washed it again. I'm gonna thoroughly wash it now with the easy cleaner. We're gonna clean out the bottom as much as possible. Take out all this stuff. I'm gonna use a little pick with paper, and I try to clean this to the best as possible. All right, so let's get into it. Oh, and while we're here, let me just show you, besides the other cat hair, this was the cat hair that was in the sole. Look at this. Do you see this? I hope it zooms in a little. That's the cat hair that was in the sole. Disgusting. Disgusting. Alright guys, so what we have here is the sneakers washed pretty much. They still got a little bit of staining on it, but I'm gonna airbrush it anyways. I'm gonna paint it white again. We're gonna take off this clear coat that you see on it, the shiny clear coat. This is an 80 grit sandpaper. I would suggest like a 300, 400. I'm just gonna hit it very lightly with the 80 grit, just to scratch off the top surface, because it's pretty a thick, shiny surface. And then from there, I'm gonna go to a, what is this, 1500, which is a very fine grit sandpaper. And then I'm gonna just sand it down so it can smooth out the scratches that this P80 is gonna leave in it. So we already did the sanding part. We took off the clear coat. Now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna paint the bottom of these, and I'm gonna make these purple. So I'm gonna show you how I paint these. So right here we have Angelus blue leather suede dye, and we have red leather suede dye. Why? Because I didn't buy purple, so we're gonna make purple. All right, so now we have the So Bright, we have the suede dye, and we're gonna mix 1 to 1. Gonna get to the airbrushing section of it. Just throw this here. Going to paint this black, matte black, and a gloss black. So I'm gonna put the flat black first. I have to put the flat black with the tooth in because it's going in my airbrush. So I just cleaned this airbrush. Hopefully it's working correctly. So I'm gonna do 1 to 1. I like skipped through a whole process, but really I didn't skip through it. I had shut off the camera and I said, let me work on this because the gray was cool, which I have here that I filled in with the actual marker, and I was gonna clean it up, but I was just like, I feel like it needed that purple that it had on this side. As you see, I was filling it in. I feel like it needed like a real sharp metallic purple. So that's what I did. I'm gonna show you how I got this from this. Alright guys, so I hit the bottom with 2 layers of the purple. Bada bing, bada boom. Now I want to give it that effect with the metal. Dip the brush in it. Nothing. I don't need to do anything specific. No taping or anything like this. And I'm just gonna paint each strip with that silver. Here I'm going to take the airbrush that we have here with the flat black paint, and I'm just going to airbrush it so that it just blends and it's not so vibrant. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add some of this mixer to soften up this silver paint that I have here.
As you see here, I wrote on the scrap, but the name of the 12 apostles, and then I recreated it in that alphabet. So that's what I'll be putting on these strips. I put the name of the apostles here, and I'll praise Yahweh at the top. Now I'm going to finish this Black Panther joint with the logo that I designed and created via vinyl sticker. Alright guys, so as you see here, what I did is I taped everything up. So here we have Angelus acrylic finisher, high gloss. Just gonna put it in the airbrush and just spray light coats, like 2 or 3 of them, and then from there we should be ready to go and show the end result. So let's get into it.